Hello everyone, welcome to another HBO Max tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I will show you can HBO Max be minimized and can you play HBO Max in the background? Well, actually you can play HBO Max in the background, but you can only do this on your PC and on your iOS devices. So first of all, as you can see on your iOS devices, this is called picture-in-picture mode. You can use picture-in-picture to watch HBO Max while you use other apps on these iOS devices, Apple iPad, iPhone, and things like that. So as you can see, when you're watching something, you swipe up from the bottom edge of the screen, the go home gesture on iOS, and then what you're streaming shrinks and continues to play. Then you can start another app. When you do this, the playback window stays on top, and then you can tap the play icon triangle to watch to continue watching. Now you can also do this on your PC with HBO Max picture-in-picture mode. This is how it looks like right here. As you can see, you can do anything else, and you can still have a picture-in-picture mode, as you can see right here. So that's pretty much how you can go and how you can use HBO Max minimized and in the background. These are two different ways. Obviously, on your on your TV, you won't be able to do that. Because again, it's your TV, you're watching a movie on a TV. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you want to know more about HBO Max, we definitely have a lot of tutorials that we do every single day on our channel. So subscribe down below and we'll see you in the next video.